Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I want to take a second and make a big deal about something. So, alright, return or in place. So, alright, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, awesome, because that's the point of this video. So, alright, let's look at some things, and I want to make sure that you get them. So, all right, let's do a list of, and we want this out of order, 3, 8, 1. So, okay. And then, yeah, we'll just work with that. So, okay. All right. Help sorted. Okay. Here's the language that I'm making a big deal about. Return. Okay. Creates. So I do sorted X. Okay. So this just returned this. Okay, I can shrink this down. Okay, so that was a new object. It did not change X. So it returned, it created. So if I wanted to capture this, because right now this is gone, this is already out of memory, it's disappeared. So if I wanted to capture this, I would have to assign it to a new variable. Okay, now let's look back at X. Then X dot, well, let's do help on this. X dot sort. Okay. In place means it replaces it, or does it there, or changes it. So, all right, that's X, right? You ready? Changed it. So my original list is gone. Gone. So I don't know what it was. So it does it in place. Now, I want to draw your attention here because I do not like the next two that are list methods that we're going to do, I think, next video, because it answers our pop quiz, our first pop quiz. So, all right, I want everybody to look at this right here. So since this is doing it in place, it's changing the variable, it's returning none. And I don't like that it says returning none. They're leaving that out in the documentation, and I don't like that. I like this. I don't like returning none. Should say returning none, meaning not creating anything, changing, doing it in place. So, all right, so let's look at help on X dot append. So I want you to look at this. None. And X dot extend. Forgot my help. X dot extend returns none, and it also then leaves out in place. So it's changing. These are both changing. So I want you to, so these two I really don't like, because it leaves out in place and leaves out returns none. But that's what this means. It's saying it's not creating anything, it's changing your variable. So pay attention. Okay, so took longer than I thought, but I want to make sure that you understand this. When you see this that means it's returning none and it's doing it in place or changing the variable. So, all right. I guess I said it one more time. So, all right. If this type video you like, if this is in depth as you like, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'd love some comments, some feedback. And if this was helpful and there's any other videos that you'd like a more in-depth explanation, please hit me up in the comments and I'll get right to it, because you're probably not the only one that has that request. And I'd love to help out the everybody learning, because I remember having things spread around everything and having to hunt it down. I want you to have this in one place. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.